This is the wireless charging smartphone holder. This is the packaging, as you guys can see. So we will just open the box now. So let's do the unboxing. So it comes with the manual. This is the manual, as you guys can see. Just read it before use this device in your car, so you will know how to operate this one. Micro USB cable. It comes with the micro USB cables which you need to connect with the car holder and connect with your cigarette lighter, so it will give the power to the car holder, so you can put your cell phone inside and it will start charging. This is the adjustable wireless charging function. You can adjust it. So this is a wireless charging symbol. This is an adjustable holder, so you can simply use this is a suction pad which you can fix on your dashboard, and this is a button which will just use to just put it on a dashboard, so you can fix it. So we just connect the wireless charger with our laptop through the micro USB cable. So as you guys can see, this is a LED light, this is a cable. So you just need to put your cell phone in this charger. So right now we are using the Note 5. As you guys know, Note 5 is already comes with the wireless charging facility, so we will just use the cell phone in this holder. We just connect it. Now you can see it's start charging the Note 5. You can see the charging indicator as well, and it's a durable. We used in a different way, so it will not fall down